It's a long walk home. This is the first time I'm actually testing the GoPro, and I'm testing the microphone. I'm testing how strong it is against the wind. I've not walked in these parts for, I think, a good few years. I'm walking back from another village. I stayed at my girlfriend's house last night and I have no car, so I can't just drive back, and I have to get back for work, so I thought I'd take this route today, and it's actually a really nice way to go. You know what I'm going to do? It's that time again. It's that time again to go barefoot, so you think I've got to carry these. I bought a jumper in my bag just in case it became a bit too cold, but I'm actually hot. It's still very hot, but the evenings get very cold, so I've got a message. So I've always liked being barefoot, walking on grass, walking on the ground, because I just feel a bit more at one, a bit more, how would I say it? I feel a bit more connected with the earth. And I think the more that one does barefoot walking, especially on hard ground, the more your feet become used to it. So I do try to, especially mainly in the summer. I like to try being barefoot, walking in the countryside without shoes, just being. Just feels like there are now no restrictions. Right? It's just the feeling I have when I'm barefoot. It feels a lot more free. There's a lot more freedom to it. So in this video I'm talking more, I'm speaking to you all more. In some of my other videos, more recent ones, some of the videos that I've done as of late, I've been doing shots of nature, the rain, the animals and so on. In this one I'm talking a bit more. I'm just going to talk, so mayhaps you'll have to let me know which style of video, which kind of video you prefer. Me talking more, or me talking less, or a healthy bit of both. I've got to now cross this bypass to then get into the town that I live in. It's hot now. Right. Right. That's a very busy road. Oh. Usually I can cross straight away, but that's a quite busy road. Thing is, what I guess has happened is a farmer's not making loads of money, but then he's just been offered a lot of money to then sell this land. That's probably what's happened. That's likely what's happened, but obviously I do not know. The annoying thing is now, you used to be able to go around that way. So dog walkers now buggered really. We've got to go all the way down here then back. You can't go around anymore. And so, lots of trees down there, you won't be able to, lots of trees down there have been chopped back. So, when I first saw them being chopped back, I thought, oh okay, maybe they're just chopping them right down so they can grow again or something like that. I'm not a tree surgeon, I don't know. Then all of a sudden, they just chopped all this here. Look at it all. I know that's how it works, but I spent my childhood in this field playing with friends. I'm sat in here as an adult, sitting all around there, reading a book, especially during lockdown when I had nothing else going on. I can't even take a shortcut to my house down there now. I have to go all the way around. And that's just the way it is. I'm not moaning really, but I do find it a shame. And when I first discovered it, I was actually quite gutted. I knew they were doing something here, but didn't realise it was like this. I don't know, I'm just getting older. I'm just getting older, I'm becoming older, and I'm realising that life doesn't stay the same. I know life doesn't stay the same anyway, but when things do change, it does get to me a little bit. Even things like this, losing this field, it gets to me. But there's nothing I can do about it, so I won't moan about it any longer, because there's really nothing I can do about it. I try not to spend time moaning, because moaning gets you nowhere. Doing stuff gets you somewhere, and I can't do anything about that. Not really. I mean, I could just break in and... No. Appreciate everything you have, people. Appreciate everything that you have, even if it's just a field beyond your house. Because one day that too will be gone.